You guys, one of the common questions I get on this channel is, does this work in my country? So I'm making research to know the remote jobs that I can find that can work in almost all the countries of the world. So I've been able to find quite a few, and I'm going to share them with you here in this video. And the good thing about what I'm going to share is that it has varieties of jobs. So anyone you are interested in, you might decide to pick on it and then you can get started. However, it is important for me to note here that there may be some challenges when it comes to payment, especially PayPal, because it's not available in almost all the countries. But there are ways people are using PayPal that you might want to check out on YouTube. So other payment methods, especially to receive dollars from overseas, you can check out on YouTube so that you'll be able to have an account. It could be Payoneer, it could be Skrill, it could be ATM, it could be PayPal as well. So know the one that is available in your country to get started, so you can start making money online from the comfort of your home. So that being said, the first one we're going to talk about is micro tasks. Things like surveys, watching videos, playing games, reviewing apps, sharing your data, internet connection, and other stuff. This is the type of things you're going to be finding on this platform. This platform has been available for more than 10 years and they've served a lot of people. So if you're available, most times doing this simple task could be the easiest way to make little money. And the dollar exchange rate in your country is quite high. Then if you make $1, it's going to be a quite valuable money to you. So you might want to check it out. So the first platform is Timebox. So this is what Timebox looks like. If you come on board, what you have to do is you have to sign up. Now the good thing about this platform is that they have weekly prize pool, like a competition that you can join and earn up to $2,000, and you can get paid instantly once you have finished your task and it has been approved. Now they have program referrals where you can refer your friends and family to come on board, and then they pay daily. Like they have 6 different methods to get paid here on this platform. So it is that simple. You're going to do tasks like watching videos, answering surveys, micro tasks, and installing apps and stuff like that. So to get started, you sign up. It's important for you to use your phone to do this because it is way easier using your phone to do, because that's where you can access the tasks that you'll be given. So in a similar way, another website that you can check out is Swagboss. Personally, I've used Swagboss in the past and they are quite good. They're always having jobs. Like if you are looking for jobs, especially surveys to do, you can always find survey on this platform and you're sure to receive your payment. Most times they pay you via gift card and you can use to make purchases, and of course if you want your cash, you can also receive your cash on this platform. So if you're interested in signing up with Swagboss, you will also find tasks like watching videos, playing games, and downloading apps and stuff like that. You can sign up here with your email address to get started working with Swagboss. So you might want to check it out. So the next one I want to talk about is when it comes to remote jobs. Remote jobs must not be something you do in your home. It can be a few jobs that you can do outside of the office and in your locality. That's why it is a remote. So this platform offers different varieties of jobs, including micro tasks, and you can find projects that you have to go into the field or you have to stay at home to do. It could be data entry, it could be anything at all on this platform, and they are available worldwide. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check out this website. The name of the platform is Appens. So if you come to the website, this is basically what it looks like. And to be able to see jobs and receive jobs, you come here where it says join our crowd. Then you're going to be taken to this place. This is a crowd, their CrowdGen, which is another affiliation of Appens, because you can see it says by Appens. Now here you can find a lot of things here. You can see you can evaluate search results, check videos, do varieties of tasks, including surveys and other product testing and other stuff. But there are lots of things you can do here on this platform. And as you can see, they have over 1 million members. They have 265 languages and they are available in 170 countries. So the good thing is they are a legit platform and they have competitive pay. And you always see the pay depending on the type of job you're given to do. And you can withdraw your payment via Payoneer, PayPal, ATM, or others that may be available. In some cases, they will pay you via direct bank transfer, especially if the job is available in your country. You might want to check the website out. The name of the platform is Appens. And before I continue with the next website, please, if you've seen value so far, please take your time out to like, subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you. We are on our way to 6,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you all for sharing our videos, liking and commenting. Thank you so much. So still on training AI and all those micro tasks, the next platform we're going to talk about is another one where you can find this type of jobs. So if you come to the platform, this is what it looks like, and you're going to be doing tasks like labeling images, transcribing audios, and then you earn money, and you're going to pay you via PayPal or ATM based on the quality and number of tasks you have completed. So here they also have an online free hands-on training for you to be able to do these jobs. And then once you're done with the training, you complete the task and then you get paid. Payment is done weekly. So yeah, because the payment of the job you're going to be doing is based on difficulty, you can have an idea about how much you're really going to be earning on this platform. So you can work from anywhere at any time you want on this platform. So to get started, you click here where it says start earning today, and then you're going to log in here with your email address and create a password, and then you can get started working with them. So the next one we're going to talk about is where you find products to test, especially apps and websites. So if it's something you're interested in, this website is available in almost all the countries of the world. So if you're interested, this is what the platform looks like. How it works is you apply, you browse through the jobs, and then you test, and then you get paid. They're going to be rewarding you for different tests. Now here you can do things like survey and recorded tests, and of course live conversations. These are the companies they have worked with, and these are people's testimonials here working with this platform. So to learn more, you can get to understand more by going through these FAQs. Now you must have paper because that's the only way for you to get paid. And the application process is simple. You complete the short practice test and fill out some basic demographic information. That means you have to apply as a participant on this platform. So on this platform, another thing you have to know is that the amount of money you're going to be paid depends on the task you're going to be given. Like any task you choose to do, you have its price tag on it, so you know that this is the amount you're likely going to be paid once you complete this task. So to get started, click here where it says apply as a participant. And you come here and fill out your email address and click get started to continue with filling out your application process. So the name of the platform is usertesting.com. You might want to check it out. If you're looking for other remote jobs you can do, especially with your phone, do well to check out this video. Or you're looking for typing jobs you can do from home, do well to check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.